The historical name of India is Bharat, Hindustan, etc. The name of India were originally derived from the name of the river Sindhu. India is the oldest civilization. It is the seventh largest country in the world in terms of area. In terms of population, it is the second most populated country after China. It also the largest democracy of the world. India is located in the southern part of the largest continent, Asia. Now I would like to call my friend Tanvi.
If we talk about political divisions of India, India is divided in 28 states and 8 union territories, and New Delhi is the capital of India.
Look at the physical features of India. The physical features of India is diverse. It is made up of vast stretches of plain, desert, forest, etc. India is an agriculture country. More than 70% of people are added in farming. There are 6 major types of soil found in India. Available soil, red soil, black soil, mountain soil and desert soil. World's largest road network found in India. The richest person of India is Mr. Mukesh Ambani.
The city of the Varanasi is believed to be one of the oldest cities in the world. India has the highest population of the vegetarians in the world.
Kumbh Mela is organized in India. In this Mela, the largest ever gathering of the people in the world, the Blaze value system and decimal system was discovered in India in 100 BC. The mother tongue of India is Hindi and English.
National animal is the Bengal tiger. The game, snake and ladder originated in India. The 4 religions born in India: Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, but Islam in India and world second largest religion.
Yoga is also originate in India. The International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21 June in every year.
National food of India is khichdi.
Tamil language is recognized as the oldest language of the world. The Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama discovered India in 1498. Pingali Venkaya designed the flag of India and presented in 1921.
India has highest number of official languages. India has world largest postal network.
Ayurveda is also originate in India. The father of medicine is Charka. This is the picture of Charka. The father of surgery is Sushruta. This is the picture of Sushruta. India is the one of the most ancient civilization in the world. Do you know what is the meaning of India? Being Indian means everything to me. It is my identity. I love the people, the energy and the spirit, and want to make my country proud in my own way.
राम राम जी.
आज हम हरियाणा के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहते हैं. हरियाणा is a blend of 2 Sanskrit words. Hari means God and Ayana means home. It is a land where guest is treated equal to God. Haryana is the largest exporter of basmati rice in India. Saraswati river flows through Haryana. That's why Haryana is a beautiful place to visit. When we talk about food, our mouth is full with water. Wow, food! Do you know, Rashmi, what is the main food of Haryana?
No, please tell me.
इस दूध दही का खाना यह मेरा हरियाणा. वैसे तो हरियाणा के लोग अलग-अलग प्रकार का खाना खाते व बनाते हैं, पर हरा धनिया, छोलिया मिक्स विद वेजिटेबल्स लाइक कैरेट, ऑनियन एंड स्पाइसेस के साथ बहुत फेमस है.
Okay, Akshita, do you know what is the famous sweet dish of Haryana?
No, you tell me please.
Churma is traditional sweet dish. It has heavy diet and you get instant energy. Capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. There are 22 districts in Haryana. Rohtak is famous for city for schools. Haryana is the land of champion and sport person. The largest district is Sirsa and the smallest district is Faridabad.
गीता का उपदेश भी हरियाणा में ही दिया गया था. लॉर्ड कृष्णा preached the holy Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna at Jyotisar in Kurukshetra. The battle of Mahabharata and Panipat were fought in Haryana. Thank you.
I am Vanshika.
I am Tushar. So today we are representing Tamil Nadu state. Tamil Nadu state is situated in the southern part of India. The town of Kanyakumari is situated in the southern tip of Tamil Nadu. It is the site of ritual sunrise.
Bharatanatyam is the traditional part Traditional dance of Tamil Nadu. The traditional food of Tamil Nadu is sambar, idli, rasam. Tamil is the official language of Tamil Nadu.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਪਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ।
Jitesh, do you know what is the meaning of Punjab?
No, I don't know.
The Punjab word is made from two Persian words, pan and ab. Pan means five and ab means water. 5 major rivers flow through the state: Satluj,
Ravi,
ਬਿਆਸ,
Salem, Chenab. Hemant, do you know what is the capital of Punjab?
No, I don't know. Please tell me.
The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Punjab share its capital city Chandigarh with Haryana.
जितेश, क्या तुमको पता है कि पंजाब का फेमस डांस कौन सा है?
हाँ हाँ हमें पता है, पंजाब का भांगड़ा.
The main folk dance of Punjab is Gidda and Bhangra. But in the ancient Vedic period, Punjab was known as the Sapta Sindhu, or land of Sand River.
The festival of Punjab are Lohri, Baisakhi and Guru Purb are the main festival of Punjab district. There are 23 districts in Punjab. The Golden Temple or Harminder Sahib is most famous temple in Amritsar.
Anish, do you know what is the favorite food of Punjab?
Now you tell me please.
Look at this. This is sarson da saag and makke di roti is traditional food of Punjab. वाह जी वाह। अगर स्वीट्स की बात की जाए तो पंजाब की फेमस अमृतसरी खीर इज वेरी टेस्टी स्वीट्स ऑफ पंजाब.
I love my Punjab.
I am Vanshika. I am Sadhna. Today we are representing Maharashtra state. Maharashtra is famous for its caves, Ajanta and Ellora. Chhatrapati Shivaji is known as the father of Maharashtra. Ganesh Chaturthi is most important festival of Maharashtra. On 1 May 1960, Bombay state was divided into the new states of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Pav Bhaji, Vada Pav and Mission Vada is the famous food of Maharashtra. The first train in Asia was started in Maharashtra between Mumbai to Thane on April 16, 1853. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra and it also known as Mayanagari and Film Nagari of India. Lavani is traditional dance of Maharashtra. Thank you. The Indian Armed Forces comprise of 3 divisions: Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. मेरी धड़कनों में धड़कता रहे तू, मेरे देश तुझको नमन है मेरा. जीऊं तो जुबां पर तेरा नाम हो, मरूं तो तिरंगा कफन हो मेरा.